Hello everyone, I'm very excited because we've just come from a 3-day long session where the first 2 days we're focusing on ESG, and in the last day, which is today, we focused on public-private dialogue. And for me, the benefit and the impact was actually very big. Participants that we had were from different DFI, from the SADC DFRC network, some of them coming from DRC, others coming from South Africa, from Eswatini. It was really quite amazing in terms of what we got out of it. And this was as a result of our collaboration, DFRC, with GIZ. The impact was very good, and we look forward to having more collaborations with GIZ, the likes of GIZ, so that we can be able to unpack more issues that in order for us to address the challenges and the needs within the DFI space. I'm looking forward to working with GIZ again in the future so that we can address all the emerging needs and challenges that are coming out as we continue to network. It also provided a very good networking opportunity. And this is part of the mandate of what we are trying to achieve as well, to make sure that the DFIs do network, they come together, and they're able to learn from each other. So I think the workshop did exactly that, the networking and the cross-pollination of ideas, learning from each other. And obviously with the experts that GIZ brought, it was really more like at a benchmark level where the participants were very excited and learning new things, regardless of what level they're sitting. We're wanting in the future to reach out to more non-DFIs members. We were able to invite a few which joined us, but going forward into the future, we want to reach out to more and more participants that can just help to build this legacy of looking at our challenges and addressing them in a way where we can all network and be able to address issues collaboratively. Thank you.